Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a buffer account in 2026. If you want to schedule posts, manage multiple social media accounts, and automate your content posting, this guide will help you get started step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the official Buffer website. Once the homepage loads, look for the Sign Up button and click on it. Now you will see different sign up options. You can continue using your Google account, Apple account, or simply register with your email address. For this example, let's choose email sign up. Next, enter your email address, create a strong password, and then click Create Account. After that, Buffer may ask you to confirm your email, so go to your inbox and click the verification link if required. Once your account is verified, you will be redirected to the Buffer dashboard. This is your main control panel, where you can manage everything. Now Buffer may ask you to connect your social media accounts. You can connect platforms like Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, or others depending on your needs. Click Connect Channel and follow the authorization steps. Next, choose the platforms you want to manage. Log in to each platform and allow Buffer permission to schedule and publish posts on your behalf. Now you will see your dashboard with connected accounts. Take a moment to explore the interface where you can create posts, schedule content, and view analytics. Next, set up your posting schedule. You can choose specific days and times when Buffer should automatically publish your content. Finally, you are ready to create your first post. Click Create Post, add your content, select your platforms, and schedule it for later or publish instantly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a Buffer account step by step. Now you can manage all your social media posts in one place and save a lot of time. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.